Hi everyone, it's me Zarina, as always, your friend from Malaysia. Apa kabar? How is your practice going on? Try to practice them every day. I know it is not that hard. Practice makes perfect. You know that already, right? Are you interested in speaking Malay colloquially? The easiest way is to get someone native to the language to assist you. If you are interested, you may contact me on Preply for an hour lesson to practice speaking Malay and to improve your pronunciation. All details are in the description box down below. Today, we will learn about how to express your love in Malay language. There are variations of it, and some are simple and some are not so. There is a caveat here. The thing is, we Malay is a race full of shyness, and we are a bit awkward to express our love and affection to the other partner or even towards our family. However, I may be generalizing here. The conventional Malay hardly kiss, hug, and show any public display affection, let alone saying that four-letter word of affection openly. The modern one is an open book though. You may observe them when you are here in Malaysia, but you will hear them spoken a lot, at least in songs. I will give you an example of a famous Malay song later. However, you are not a Malay, and you definitely would love to know how to express yourself to your girlfriend, wife, partner, and etc. The word love has many meanings in Malay language. Cinta, sayang, kasih. These three are the main meanings. However, there are other meanings which also could mean love, depends on the context. Asmara, gemar, suka. While the general meaning is love, but each of one of them has its individual context, or I may say subtle difference. For example, asmara is more like lust or strong sexual desire, while gemar, it is more than just liking. It is somewhere between love and like, while suka is to like, a general like, I may say. Notice that I pronounced asmara as asmara, not the normal ending pronunciation, which we normally do asmara. There are some irregular like this one which you have no choice but to memorize them when you come across one. Let's look at the phrases. Saya cinta awak. Saya cintakan awak. Saya sayang awak. Saya sayangkan awak. Both mean I love you. While both have similar meaning in English, but cinta or cinta is not appropriately used for family members. Sayang is more appropriate. Sayang is bordering towards being affectionate. I am not going to explain about the suffix kan here. You may refer to my previous video or post of lesson 12, day, week, month, where I talk about it in detail. For example, I normally say sayang mak, which means I love you mom. Akak sayang adik. Akak sayang adik. I, elder sister, love you, younger brother or sister. Cinta is not interchangeable here. It will feel weird if I say cinta mak or akak cinta adik. You can also say saya mengasihi awak, I love you. Saya suka awak, I like you. Saya ada hati dekat awak. I have feelings for you. I have my sights on you. Saya rindu awak, or saya rindukan awak. I miss you. Saya teringatkan awak. I thought about you. Saya benci awak. I hate you, or I despise you. Saya ikhlas dengan awak. I'm sincere with you. Saya hargai awak. I appreciate you. Saya bahagia dengan awak. I am happy with you. Saya gembira bersama awak. I am happy with you. Saya rela sehidup semati dengan awak. I am willing to live and die with you. This is too dramatic though. Saya mahu hidup bersama awak. I want to live with you. Maafkan saya, sayang. I am sorry, my love. Sayang or yang is used by couples to call their loved one regardless of gender. Let's look at a normal daily husband and wife's conversation. Yang, kat mana baju I? Sayang, I dah letak kat atas katil tu. Sorry sayang, tak nampak lah. Sorry, ke? Yang, lain kali jangan buat lagi, ke? Okay, as I have promised, here is a song that used to be quite famous back in 1999. I was 21 back then. You do the math. Yeah, it is not a recent song, but it is indeed one of the most beautiful Malay songs out there. The song titled Pesanan Buat Kekasih, which means a message for my lover. It is sang by a band named Spring and written by Abdul Jalih bin Saleh and Mustafa bin Maddaud. If you want the explanation of the lyrics in English, where I talk about them in detail, you may head over to the website ilearnmalay.blogspot.com to read about them. If you want to listen to this beautiful song, the link for it is updated in the description box. Do you find anything that you need to know more from the lesson? If you do, don't forget to check out the blog at ilearnmalay.blogspot.com for complete transcription of this lesson. You may download this lesson in PDF form of Lesson 13 and other previous episodes too by clicking Download PDF menu. Don't forget to leave comments, questions, or you may comment at the YouTube video of this lesson as well. Well, today's lesson ends here. I hope that this lesson helps. Sampai jumpa lagi.